Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about this fall brown reddish earthy look right here. I think it fits perfectly with the weather outside, the autumn vibe. First thing, like always, I apply a primer on my face, a hydrating primer from Makeup Forever, the step 1. I like using a flat brush pressing into my skin all over my face. I'm starting with the eyes, of course eye primer. My favorite one is from MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot Soft Ochre. As you can see, I apply it with my finger up until the eyebrows, but also on the lower lash, and then slightly fix it with the HD powder from Makeup Forever. The first palette that I am going to use is from BH Cosmetics, the Glam Reflections. I couldn't think of a better palette for this look. It has many autumn vibe in it, brown, yellow, earthy tones. I'm gonna use a brown color here to start and blending easy back and forth into my crease. As you can see, I'm paying attention in blending to the exterior, kind of creating a wing, because I want a sharp and graphing line at the end. It's Morphe 39A, and I take this brown reddish undertone color. I place it in the exterior of my eyes, kind of creating a classic lift shape. Make sure you don't blend it more than the first color. I'm also using a flat brush. I'm really a fan of the flat brushes. I think are safer and don't make a lot of fallout. Although yeah, it doesn't really matter as long as you don't have your foundation set yet. Is darker, also from Morphe palette. I apply it on top of the medium color and blending very well. Back to the BH Cosmetics palette, I am grabbing this reddish brown color and apply it in the middle of my eyes. Top of it, I apply reddish glitter, blending and pressing very well. For the interior corner, I apply yellow from BH Cosmetics and glittery yellow color from Sephora. we blend all the glitters on the edges, cause will give a nice and soft glam look. I apply yellow all over, making sure at the end I kinda draw a line in the opposite of the upper one. For this, I choose a flat brush, very pointed, that allows me to draw a line. Apply dark brown glitter from Morphe palette in the exterior corner. For the ear corner, I apply the same glitter from Sephora. With these two pencils from Artist Color Pencil, I'm gonna use black in my waterline and nude to emphasize the wing, so it looks more sharp. Now it's time to do the face. We can't forget about eye bags. I neutralize them with a creamy product, a creamy corrector cream from Makeup Forever, shade CC30. Sorry I didn't show my foundation, the camera wasn't focused very well. I used MAC Cosmetics foundation, the Match Master. It is a full coverage foundation that will stick very good and for a long time on my face, also due to the hydrating primer. As it is a full coverage product, I choose to build it up step by step because I want a nice and even finish all over my face. I don't apply a lot and then blend it with a sponge because that may look cakey in the daylight. For the light zones, I also use Makeup Forever full coverage product. I use just a tiny bit and apply it in a very transparent manner. blush, I use this reddish brown color from Sleek. I really love this color. I feel like it feels so good with the vibe with all of the colors on my face. Cosmetics. I apply it on top of my blush, but also on it, and also on my brow bone for more glam, glowy, shiny look. I keep it nude, earthy tones because, you know, how else for autumn. Alright, that's it. Hope you really liked it. If so, give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Kisses!